You're rcaddict. Skyzone O4X version 2, 2023. Okay, so this is version 3.4.11. It's the highest version. Okay, it came with that on it. It's the version 3.3 module. It's not a Steadyview X, it's on RF module. Steadyview X, you put that on because it's a ground station, you put it through your AV port, or you plug it in, and Steadyview X, obviously you do your mix and that externally. Yeah, so that's on RF normal for people that are wondering, because it's pretty, it's not clear, you know. Anyway, that's mixed to RF normal, luminescence on 4, so antennas both VAS, so VAS Ion Pro 2 on the top, VAS Extreme, Crosshair Extreme, Speedy B antenna, MMCX going through to a Speedy B TX 800, ST35 frame, and everything else is off a Crux 35.